So we've used Solv for quite a few other projects in the past, which we're really happy with. So the previous history with Solv, it was a kind of a no-brainer to go back to them. Yeah, so the large warehouse built in the 60s. So obviously the big complication with that is it is a big empty warehouse with multiple props and everything else in it for the golf. And trying to figure out how to efficiently heat that while keeping sort of bills down, heating high, and then sort of just making it integrate without anyone ever noticing sort of the heating's on, no loud noise or giant breezes in one spot and where we needed to be. Yeah, so I think when we originally moved in here, it was very cold, big cold concrete floors, drops in everywhere, staying around that sort of 10 degrees or less. Now with all the heaters in and a little bit of improvements here, it's gone up to and sits around that sort of 17.5 degrees, which is a nice comfortable level for people to play golf in. There was a new gas pipe run through from front to back, so with all us being randomly and crazy design when the implementation, we had no real idea of what we were going ahead and doing. So obviously we didn't want to dig up the old concrete floor, and we didn't want to sort of hide it in between the props, because somewhere from ambulances to whiskey barrels to petrol cans, obviously it's nice to have that tucked away that golf balls can't hit a gas pipe or customers can't go and hit it with a golf club or sit on or the likes. So we managed to figure out a design to run it through on trunking through the ceiling right in the center, and that avoided all the props, any sort of design issues there. It was accommodation for both of us. I think it worked out very well. I definitely recommend them for the amount of projects that we've now done that have been seamless from the very start, the design, the implementation, and then the maintenance of it going forward. It's been fantastic. We haven't had any issues, and we've been pretty quick to call out, and nothing's too much of an issue for them, which has been good. So I would definitely use it again.